Joya. And then, nag-unboxing tayo ng aking casing. iPhone 14 Pro Max.
Oh, you have to see what is the right.
Pinili ng aking asawa.
Yeah, careful with the box.
Yes, baby. Yan, napakabait ng aking asawa, guys. Oh, clear hair, like Dimitri. Yan, in order ng ni Dimitri, yung anak niya. Super, super blessed. Thank you so much, my hubby.
Yeah, you could put that.
OMG.
The other one is more difficult.
Oh, this is it, guys. Diba? Wow, Dimitri, I love you. You see, like this casing. And guys, ito yung ano.
Yeah, this we can do.
Tempered glass,
yeah.
but hindi ako marunong magawa.
It's difficult.
You know how to put, baby?
Huh?
You know how to put tempered glass?
No.
No, baby. We bring in the shop or
Never try.
wait, Dimitri come.
Oh, wait, Dimitri.
Yan guys, ito na yung bago kong fan. Love you, baby. Thank you so much.